Check, check, check. Let me see if I'm live. Here we go. First live. This is live. Before it wasn't live. Now it's just live. All right, so it's 6:20. I'm at work, bro. The only time I was trading at work is on Mondays because the post I'm at is super duper easy. Okay, so it's 6:21. I'll just go over my watch list and why I'm looking at what I'm looking at. So I'm looking at, so at first I was looking at QQQ or NQ. We ended up getting the break of this level. I'm not chasing it. I even marked out an intraday, the higher low we had here. But this shit just seemed to take off. But it's cool. I'm not tripping. Just going into here, I'm just assuming, we're bullish. Look at the uptrend, higher low, higher low. Price will probably come back and make a higher low somewhere. Maybe that's where I buy. We'll see. But in the meantime, I am looking at SPY or ES just because it's the same downtrend, except we just haven't broken yet. So this level here, I'm looking for a break. And let's just say something like here we're looking at as like a profit target 604 minus 83 583 21 times 5. It's like $105 move. Okay. Looking for something like this. That's on the future side. Options side, I am looking at a few tickers, but I don't want to confuse myself with this. Like, trying to have all these tickers, but I am looking at Robinhood if the market is bullish, a break above Thursday's high into, Wednesday's high here. Maybe even more. That's just what I'm looking at as of right now. More so if we break above here, the 112 area. But call it on Robinhood above 109. And if the market is bearish and we sell off, Apple has a bear flag set up. One way I know that I know what I'm looking for is because before last night when I was at work, I looked at 3 stocks: Robinhood, Apple, and Tesla. I said, these are the stocks I want to trade. I hop on pre-market analysis with one of the mods in my Discord. They say the same stocks I'm looking at. Like I'm like, okay, good. I know my analysis is, I'm getting good at that, But yeah, also Tesla, but I think we might still have time on this one. So these are my 2 mains. Intel maybe, but I know Intel contracts are kind of moving weird right now. Yeah, crazy. But yes, Robinhood calls if we're bullish, which it looks like we are. Apple puts if we end up selling off. But overall, my number 1 trade that I'm looking at is SPY calls. All right, so that's going to be my number 1 watch list. QQQ is just absolutely soaring. Little reminder to myself that I'm going to execute is... Oh, 1 second, man. Bear with me, bro. I've been here for 12 hours. Oh, jeez. Bear with me, man. All right. One thing, definitely gotta watch out for the when price makes our lower high. I'm gonna be anticipating that. I'm just gonna mark this. This is where I'm expecting some type of. I'm expecting a lower high here or something, pull back. Maybe this is a pullback. I don't know. We still got time, but I forgot. I lost my train of thought. But yeah, let's hope that we don't break on SPY within the next 5 minutes here. Yeah, that is what I'm looking for. 5 minutes till market open. Yeah, my number 1 trade I'm looking for right here is break on MES. Oh, like I was saying, that's what I was gonna say. So even if we do get my trades to break, I'm more so looking for, when it comes to execution wise, that's what I'm trying to work on. So I'm more so looking for my playbook when it comes to execution. And that just comes, and that goes back to looking for a break and retest of a level. Like here showing sellers are, or yeah, buyers were buying price up. Then we ended up getting the breakdown, just showing that the level is hot. More so right here on this candle. We got the sellers, yep, in our direction, boom. Obviously not gonna work all the time, but that's what I'm looking for, more so to work on my edge intraday. Consolidation breaks as well. And yeah, break and retest or some type of consolidation break or some type of chart pattern like here, right? Yeah, that's just what I'm looking for. So yeah, we have 4 minutes. So yeah, in the meantime, I'm just gonna be watching one of these tickers. And my only thing about trading here at work, what I'm gonna have to do is at 7, my relief comes. So at 7, I'm gonna end the stream. Then I'm gonna start it back up around 7:30 when I'm home, and we'll see if I take anything before my relief comes. But as like, let me just fire up the stream in case I do, and also just to already have my stuff ready, my thought process, and everything. But this is the only day that I'll be doing something like this on Mondays. Usually Tuesdays and Wednesdays I'll be starting up these streams at 7:30, because that's when I get home from work, because I get off at 7, which is so annoying. I work 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. but it would be so much better if it was 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. That just works so much better, I think, for everybody. But I don't know anything. MES seems like we're rejecting. What is SPY? SPY came down right to my support level. If this is my first day on the funded, I would be buying right here, but we gotta see. So we're getting some selling pressure. So now my question is on here, how low do we go? This is obviously our higher low. I feel like I'm anticipating market opens that we sell, come back to this level or something like that for a move up. That's what I'm looking at. I don't know, we'll see. That's where my playbook's gonna come in handy, to look for my setup intraday to execute. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what's going on right now, man. I wonder. Sorry. I wonder, like, I don't know, like, is trading after my shifts getting to me? Do I be tired? Because honestly, when I get home and I'm trading, I don't be tired. I actually be having good energy. So I love this shit, but I don't know. Anyways, we still got time. Yeah, wow, okay. 43 seconds real quick. Let me just check. So there goes Robinhood. Apple, okay. Robinhood. So I'll just be on the lookout for Robinhood. She here early? What the fuck? Hold up, man. Who is this? They here already? Oh, he here early. You gotta be kidding me, bro. It's one of these old heads. Why are you here at 6:30, my guy? Come on, bro. I hate this type shit. Like, why are you here this early, my guy? Then they be trying to talk to you and shit. Like, nigga, don't you know market open? Whatever. Alright, market is officially open. I'm looking at. My hood alert's going off, so I just want to check that out real quick. I'm just let kind of like let market do its thing in a way. You know what I'm saying? 112 is. I just want to get this situated real quick. Oh my gosh, look at this spread. Never mind. Never mind. Is that for real? What the fuck? What the fuck is that spread? Alright, let me log in. Oh shit. Whatever. I didn't get my chart pattern. Right, that's... Oh, yeah, I definitely didn't get my chart pattern. Definitely did not. This is my problem. I be looking at every other stock, bro, I swear. Let's just stay locked in on this. Oh, I see here so early, bro. Anyways, I'm just gonna wait for my setup. Plus, at the same time, I'm not trying to be fucking in a trade while I'm leaving work and shit. I'm gonna mark out this level right here on the 2 minute and just intraday, I guess I could say. This level of supply and demand, pretty much. Honestly, a break of this level would be ideal. Let me just see. Break and close, might I add. There goes SPY. Coming back down. Break and close. See, I think also too, I need a it really just depends on what kind of method. The market looks hot and ready right now. There goes IWM. But very imperative that I stay patient here. Damn, I hate doing this shit at work because then you gotta leave. Like, I miss being home and trading. I really do. But what can you do? So I guess these spreads ain't terrible. Now Hood. Let's get a close above here on Hood. Maybe I'll enter on my swing trading account on Robinhood. No pun intended. I guess I'll day trade it on my. If I get a close, why I look like? Hold up. Nah, this is where I watch. Oh shit, Apple, what the fuck? We are still higher time frame bearish. So okay. I'm looking it now. I'm looking. Okay. You know what? Let's see how this level holds. If this level holds, I wouldn't mind getting in buys here with the stop like below here. Because giving myself the best position possible. Let's see how we close though. I'm trying to see. This would be the best stop possible. But at the same time, I'm not trying to force anything. But just an idea. But of course, waiting for the close and waiting for my setup. And if we miss it, we miss it. But this looks good. God damn it. Please don't tell me I missed my... I'm gonna get in buys here. Why is my shit so delayed? What the fuck? Got in buys here, give myself the best stop. We're in an uptrend on the higher time frame, so I'm just following that. I like this level right here, strong. support level. Obviously, we have resistance here. If we can get a break and close, I'll re-enter above this level, break and close, by the way. Move my stop and profit. Actually, see, I couldn't really add another contract like I wanted to. Kind of just happened so fast, but I just want to see how we react too. But also at the same time, this is where I struggle with taking profit because this is a nice situation. So I'm just gonna move my stop right here in case things fail. We're in this consolidation, so if we break back down, I'm not mad at that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, break and retest was the criteria for my 2-minute entry, by the way. So really, I want to see if we could break here. If we don't break here, then I'm not adding more. But if we could break, I'd like to add into this position. I'm gonna take out one contract here. I like this entry. Let's see if we can get a close above. If we can get a close above my stop, it's gonna be around here. Can we hold this level? Add another contract here. It didn't fill me. Okay. I'm trailing my stop. This is what I'm aiming for as well. Selling one contract. Change this to 2, what the fuck? Take profit up here. Stop is below here, trailing the candle. See where we close at. Right now I'm basically just trailing with a runner. 6:40 o'clock. Damn, this nigga finna come in here so early, bro. It's no point in doing that. Morning, brother.
Morning. How you doing?
Good. What about yourself?
Oh man, didn't want to come in here.
I feel it.
So didn't want to come. I don't know why. Why I always tell the man, yeah, you know what, I don't want to come.
I get it.
Working on the other job?
No, I'm just doing some homework. Trying to just make use of my time here. But I'm almost out of here. So I'm like, it's a cool, successful night.
on all your work.
Yeah, exactly. Well, especially at this post, why you not doing nothing?
What school you going to?
I go to online school right now. It's called Los Angeles Recording School. Doing like online classes and stuff.
You get it while you can, bro. Get it.
Yes, sir.
Because this ain't the place for you.
That's what you know, Wooden.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. I asked him a question. He was like, "Yeah, man." He was like, "This is secondary, man." He was like, "Do it." I was like, "Thank you, Wooden."
I keep telling people they think it's life.
Working here?
Yeah, this ain't no job.
No, that's facts. Cause it's like you get feel like content if you let it, you know.
It's more money out. This ain't no money. It's more money out there, bro.
Yo, that's
There's
facts.
more money out there. Just doing this for this money they paying you, you can't live. You can't really live right off of it.
One thing I will say, me being young, I do like about this job is the fact if you do make use of your time, but like you said, it's not. It is more out there. Like I 100% agree with you said. 100%. He had asked you last minute if you could come. You was like, yeah.
Yeah, cause I'm retired.
Uh-huh.
I just work part time.
I mean, that gives you something to do, I imagine, huh?
I just ask for 16 hours a week just to get away.
Oh, that's cool.
But sometimes I don't want to, just